So now we have entered the wadi of in the range of Jabal Shams. We have just started ascending, and you can see this mountain. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Look at this, like a straight wall, Wow, look at this, beautiful. Look at this. Some people are doing pedicure, the small fishes, they're eating dead cells. And Gerald, wow, he cannot stop himself. Yeah, wow. Woo. Hey guys, so now we are here at our guest house, and I won't lie, this driving was really, it was adventurous but scary. First time I've done such type of driving. I was so much like focused on the road and driving. I have not taken any video, no pictures, nothing has been taken. But yes, when we are going back, I will sure take some videos so that to show you all that how exactly this the roads over here. It's really scary roads. Yeah, and yeah, you need 4x4. Sorry, no sedan, no front wheel drive, only front wheel or only rear wheel drive will work here. No, you need a 4x4 for this. Okay, so let me show you our guest house. So this is the guest house where we are going to stay. Rooms are really good. This center, like Snake Canyon, been organized by Mr. Zahir. I will give his details also in the description. This is the guest house where we are staying. You no need to book, but when you do the booking with Zahir, he make all the arrangements. So these are the nearby areas, and let me give you a tour from outside first. So okay, so this is the back side of the guest house, and now we have a plan to do a small hike, or we can do a hike. You can see our build out friend Gerald, he's having his quiet moment. By the way, really he's a romantic guy, very good. Nobody knows that. So here's Gerald. So we are going to start our hike now. Maybe next 1.5 hours we are going to go from this way and till that football ground. We'll take this road, okay, and if you can see there, this valley, okay, we are going to enter from this crack, or they call valley, okay, and inside, say somewhere around 15-20 minutes, there is a village, and our dinner is in that village. So this is the hike we are going to do. This is not that long hike. It's somewhere, I think, maybe 30 to 40 minutes.
It's an amazing place.
So what was your experience, first of all, the driving to this place, and when you came here, seeing this beauty?
Driving is itself an adventure actually. When we came here, we find it's really difficult to drive on this off-road. To be very frank, it gives us a glimpse of what we are going to have tomorrow during our hiking. So we are happy to that, and we are so much excited to do the hiking tomorrow, and very happy about this place. It's an amazing, it's like paradise. See you here.
Thank you, Gerard. So yes, so you can vouch, this is really paradise. So tomorrow hiking, what we are talking about, as we mentioned, that tomorrow we are going to do a Snake Canyon. Okay, so it's basically there are two types. One is like 3 hours and 5 hours, but we are going to do only 3 hours, not the 5 hours. Okay, and maybe next time we'll do 5 hours. So we want to have this experience because they say this is one of the lifetime achievement. We do this Snake Canyon. Many people who ever done this. Yeah, so catch you soon. Okay, once we start this our hike. See you. Okay, so now we are going to start our hike. Team is ready. Everyone is ready.
Like always.
Wow, always superb. See, yeah. Come, let's go. So this will just 30 minutes hike, okay? And on the way I'll take shower in one of the pool. And everyone just watch me.
Watch me.
Yeah. Not bathing. Take care of me. Shuhada. Okay, so now we are going down the trail. So some of the member is already here. Scared? No, nothing to be scared. Okay, come guys. Wow, what a sky. Come fast. Okay. So we have just come down from this small mountain where our guest house is there, and we'll take this road, Kacha road, towards that mountain, the valley. Okay, so we came from this way, and now we are entering the wadi. So this is the way we are entering. Good thing that the trails are marked using some flags, so just follow those flags. Let me show you. It's here, so just keep following this flag. Yeah, so from there we have started. Now we are going to enter from here. Staircase always kills. Oh my god. So this way we have to go down. Okay.
We missed this. We missed
Yeah.
this. We missed this.
I took everything to take shower here, but
we would have taken.
really, it's really good. MashaAllah. So now you can see we are following this marker. And the last marker, so I have to make sure nobody is there behind me. So I think we have reached to some point where you can see this farm, and this is a village. Ooh. And I think we can see on top that is a restaurant where we're going to have our dinner tonight. Yeah. This is the house. see. टॉप में रेस्टोरेंट दिख रहा होगा वो सजा हुआ. That's the one. Yes. खाना तैयार है. हाँ. खाना is तैयार. Food is ready. Yes. So we will go from here. You can see those lights. There's the restaurant.
It's gone, now the city closer in the backseat older.